Let's make spooky spiderweb pizza. First, prick your dough all over with a fork and then spread on your favorite pizza sauce. I like my basic no-cook marinara. Bake it just for a few minutes and then take it out and use string cheese to make a spider web. You can see I rip it up into thin ribbons, and it might take you a few tries, but it's pretty easy to make the design. Next, cut up some black olives and make them into cute little spiders. And then bake it up until the cheese is melted. And there you go. Happy Halloween! Visit ThursdayNightPizza.com for more pizza recipes.